Magandang umaga mga kaibigan! Nandito na naman po ang inyong Team Wings of Hope upang makapagpabot ng libreng gamot at medical para sa mga kababayan natin. Salamat sa Diyos sa panibagong araw at oportunidad para kami muli ay makatulong. Kaya tara mga kaibigan, samahan niyo kami dito sa Barangay Navatat, Basista, Pangasinan. Please keep on watching!
Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. I wanna follow where she goes. I think about her and she knows it.
Dapat mabasa mo to, ilalagay ko naman yung second na binigay niya para basang-basa mo na siya lahat. Tama? Maliwanag na siya, no?
And maybe I should stop and start confessing, yeah. Oh, I've been shaking, I love it when you go crazy. You take all my ambitions, baby, it's a
I center, sa Carlos Baker. Mayroon natin sa
There's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. She says that she's never afraid. Just picture everybody naked. She really doesn't like to wait. Not really into hesitation. Pulls me in enough to keep.
Narito rin po, kasama namin ang mapagmahal at tumanang Basista, Pangasinan na si Mayor Jolly Risuelio na sumuporta at sinamahan kami sa aming medical mission.
Just right. Everybody was bumping, the club was jumping. Suddenly you walked in, and that's when everybody stopped dancing. And I couldn't stop myself staring. Yeah, I couldn't breathe, no, I couldn't believe my eyes. I never thought I'd fall in love in a club, but now I see you, girl, I can't get enough. With you, I know there's no taking it slow. So can somebody
Mga
please
kaibigan,
let me know?
lagi niyo po ang tatandaan that helping one person might not change the whole world, but it could change the world for one person. Success is helping people, success is making people happy, success is love, success is the bonds we form with other people. It's good to be blessed, but it's better to be a blessing. Bless you all! Hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan, sana kami ang inyong muling samahan at sana lagi niyo pong susuportahan ang aming channel. Marami pong salamat!
Think about her and she